Alright, so it's about to be an install video. I got the GoPro on, as you can tell. It's gonna be the first video I'm making with the GoPro. So you probably already tell from the thumbnail or from the trim holding my fucking hand. About to install this. You probably seen people do it on other channels, but you ain't seen it on my fucking channel yet. So we'll go ahead and start this. You see I got the red. I think the red's gonna tie in, like, you know, I got the red calipers, little red right there, and just red throughout the car. You know the gauges when you turn the car on, this red right here, little red right here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do the trim basically around this bezel right here and around this part right here and the door, but not the full door. I think I'm just gonna do this part right here. I don't know, but either way, I ordered 6 yards, so they come in increments of 3 yards, but I ordered basically, you know, 2 orders of it, $3.75 for every 3 yards. So that was only like $7 on change plus shipping, $10. I'll put the link down for the for this down in the description. So basically I'm gonna start on the doors first, and I'm not gonna measure it and then cut it. I'm just gonna put it in the door and basically cut it when I'm done putting it in. So I'm gonna start with the doors first. So basically all you gotta do is wedge it in this groove right here. So like I said, I'm gonna start the doors, and if you can tell, it's rounded on the outside and it's just a little slit that goes in the gaps. So that's the first door. You can see it goes from here all the way around down there. All right, so from the bezel, you just want to pick one side you want to start on. It's basically start to finish. So you want to start from this trim part all the way around, and it ends right here. So either way, you're gonna have to cut it. So let's pick a side you want to start on. All right, so that's done. You see, it goes around. Just want to do a final push on everything. Make sure it's pushed all the way in, and it sits in here pretty good because the slits on it goes right in the groove. So that's that part. So I'm gonna go ahead and go around here and then just do that door, and that's pretty much it. So basically with this part, because you want to cut it and then the end's gonna have to meet again, you want to start where you want to basically put your cut at. So for me, I think I put the cut right here in this corner so I won't really notice it. All right, so that's pretty much it. You see the bezel right here. Got it flush, it lines up with everything right, goes all the way around. And if you've seen the video, it was like two fucking like dots right here. That shit was irritating me. So what I did is I pulled it off and reran it the other way, and that basically flipped the cord so you can't even tell. That dot, one of them was right here and the other one you just can't even tell no more. So that's the bezel, just the middle console right here. And you want to make a cut and make it connect, because all these basically they got ends, but this one goes in a circle. So you want to put a cut right here, like in one of these corners. I say this corner is because you can't even tell. And what you want to do is you want to cut at an angle. So you want to have one side like this and the other side basically like going down. So one side slanted and the other side slanted up this way. So when it forms, it's like it's on top of each other, and that way you don't see the gap. And this is the door right here. And the other door, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I paid 10 bucks. That's with shipping and everything. I ordered 6 yards, and this what's left of it. So if you try and do more than this, like you try and do like this shit right here and some of this what you're gonna have left. So you might as well order 9 yards of this. Like I said, I ordered 6 yards, and this is what's left. This took no time at all. Actually took a little bit longer just because I was doing the recording part. But, yep, that's it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.